Hey guys, we're back for another sound test, and this time it's the ZSX. So from now on, all my sound tests will also feature the Shure 846, just for reference, because there's a lot of people, of course, outside the Chi-Fi world don't have a reference yet to Chi-Fi. So I'm gonna include the Shure 846 as a reference point. Of course, it's not a 1:1 comparison, because definitely the Shure 846 is a more expensive IEM. So I already had a comparison sound test of the ZSX, but this now the full sound test with more tracks here, just to get more details on how the ZSX sounds like. So let's start the sound test now.
Just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.